Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Node.js on Windows with NodeSource, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type NodeSource Node.js binary distributions. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You will be directed to the NodeSource GitHub page. Scroll down until you find the section titled Installation Instructions. Look for the subsection for Windows. Here, you will find instructions on how to set up Node.js using NodeSource. Open a new tab in your browser. In the address bar, type https://github.com/nodesource/distributions. Once the page, locate the Windows installation instructions. You will find commands to install the NodeSource repository. Copy the command provided for your system architecture. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Right-click the Start menu and select Windows PowerShell, Admin. In the PowerShell window, paste the command you copied earlier. Press Enter to execute the command. After the repository has been added, you will need to install Node.js. Use the command npm install gnode. Press Enter and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installation is complete, check the Node.js version. Type Node v in the PowerShell window. Press Enter to see the installed Node.js version. Next, check the npm version by typing npm v, press Enter and confirm that npm has been installed. You now have Node.js and npm installed on your Windows system. You can start using Node.js by creating a new project. To do this, create a new directory for your project. Navigate to the directory using the command line. Type dir my node project and press Enter. Change directories by typing cd my node project. Now, initialize a new Node.js project by typing npm init. Follow the prompts to set up your project details. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and set up Node.js on Windows with NodeSource. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.